How to create Amazon seller account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create seller account on Amazon. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now, in order to do so, what you can do is you can head over to your browser, any browser that you wish, and you'll have to search Amazon seller account sign up like I've done so on the screen. Once you have done so, you'll get this first link, amazon.com, sell products online with selling on Amazon. And here you can see welcome to Amazon Seller Central. So what you can do is you can simply head to this second link where it says welcome to Amazon Seller Central, and then you can simply tap on sign up. If you already have an account, you can tap on login as well, but since you want to sign up, you want to tap on sign up. Now here first, you want to start with your email. You want to enter in your email, and then you want to enter in your password here, and then tap on next. Now in this case here, you will have to use your Amazon account. My previous account wasn't found, so I'll just use a new one here. Now once you sign in here using your Amazon account, now remember you'll have to sign in beginning with your Amazon account, and here now you can see what you'll have to enter in. You'll have to provide your information and documents. It says we need to collect relevant personal and business information to comply with identification and verification measures. We may require additional information or documents later. Similarly, we'll verify your submission. You may be asked to meet with an Amazon associate to verify your submission. This helps keep Amazon a trusted shopping destination. Then you can get verified and start selling. After we receive all of the required information, it will be verified as soon as possible. So what you'll need a valid government issued ID or passport, recent bank account or credit card statement, chargeable credit or debit card, and a mobile phone. So you want to simply tap on begin at the bottom. Once you do so, now you'll have to go through all the prompts here. You'll have to create your LLC, you'll have to enter in your business information, you'll have to enter in your seller information, your billing and store information, and then you'll have to go through the identity verification, and then you're good to go. So this is the way that you can create your Amazon seller account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.